Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Mart. Friends, we will see here about medical coding. First of all, we will discuss about what is medical coder. We see all its aspects and all the informations about medical coder. We can see on the screen. Medical coder translate detail from patient medical documents. 1 minute. You can see here on the screen. Our medical coder translate in details from patients medical documents such as physician notes, lab reports, procedures and diagnoses into universal medical codes to maintain accurate medical record. Healthcare providers and insurance companies use these standardized codes for billing and record keeping. This administrative role is an important one within the in-demand healthcare industry. Learn more about what medical coders does and whether this career path is right for you. Next, we will see about medical coding. What is medical coding? You can see on the screen, and the information about it is given. The medical coding is process of taking a patient's healthcare information like medical procedure, diagnose, necessary medical equipments and medical services information from the physician notes. A medical coder transforms all this information into universal medical alphanumeric codes. There are three types of universally known medical alphanumeric codes. We will see, we will discuss about these codes. Uh, First of all, the one is International Classification of Disease. uh, it's mean ICD, the World Health Organization. It means who created this internationally used code. This classification system is largely used for purpose of health recording and data collection among other uses. These codes can classify symptoms, disease, illness and cause of death. The next one code that is familiar or famous current procedure terminology. It means CPT. CPT codes identify medical, surgical and diagnostic procedures and services within US. The American Medical Association AMA developed this system, which includes three categories: procedure and contemporary medical practice, clinical labs, and emerging technologies. And the next one and the third one is healthcare common procedure coding. You can see on the screen HCPCS, the Centers for Medical Care, Medicare and Medicaid Services developed this coding system to help with processing insurance claims for Medicare or other providers. Coders use them to note medical procedures, products, supplies, and services. Medical coding's primary use to ensure medical billing, insurance carriers pay and process claims correctly, but the system is also valuable for research purpose and basic medical record keeping for patient. Each code tells insurance companies, researchers, and healthcare procedures providers the exact diagnosis, procedure, and or medical service provided. In short, these codes act as universal way to quantify healthcare visit. You can see and make physician notes less abstract for insurance carriers. That was all about the medical coding, and we discussed here the three types of coding. that are very famous in the world and recruited by the World Health Organization. That was all about it. So friends, for this kind of information or informative videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel.